Lesson 27, Selected Problems from WAEC, Part 4. Examples. Number 60, the area of a circle is 154 square centimeters. It is divided into 3 sectors such that 2 of the sectors are equal in size, and the third sector is 3 times the size of the other 2 put together. Calculate the perimeter of the third sector. Take pi equal to 22/7. Solution. In order to divide the circle into 3 sectors, we have 4 sectors. In order to have 3 sectors, we divide again and we have it in this form. So this is one sector, another sector, and the third sector. Each angle of the sub-sector is S degrees. Now we have 8 sub-sectors. This sector is equal to this one, equal to this one, and equal to this. So if you add all the angles, you have 8S equal to 360 degrees. To get S, divide both sides by 8 and you have 45 degrees. The third sector is equal to 3 times the size of the other 2 sectors put together. Each sector, the angle is 45 degrees. So you add 45 degrees to 45 degrees, multiply it by 3, and you have 3 times 90 degrees equal to 270 degrees as the angle of the third sector. Perimeter of the third sector is equal to 2 times radius plus length of arc. Radius is needed from the area of the circle given. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. The area is given to be 154 equal to pi 22/7 times r square. Multiply through by 7 and divide both sides by 22 to make r square the subject in this form, and you have 49. R becomes square root of 49 equal to 7 cm. Therefore, perimeter of the third sector is equal to 2 times radius plus angle of the third sector over 360 degrees times 2 times pi times radius. This is one term. 2 times 7, 14. This is another term. When you simplify it, you have this result. You have 14 plus 33 equal to 47 centimeters as the perimeter of the third sector. Example 61. In the diagram, AB is equal to 3 cm, BC equal to 4 cm, CD equal to 6 cm, and DA equal to 7 cm. Calculate angle ADC correct to the nearest degree. You have solution. Angle ADC can be obtained using cosine rule, but side AC is first needed. Hence, we join A to C. AC can be obtained considering right-angled triangle ABC by using Pythagoras rule. You have the rule in this form. Square on AC is equal to sum of squares on the other two sides. AC square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. That is 9 plus 16 equal to 25. AC becomes square root of 25 equal to 5 centimeters. Considering triangle ADC, you state the cosine rule in this form. We are interested in getting cos D. First, you transfer this term to the left, it becomes positive, and you transfer this to the right, it becomes negative. You divide both sides by the coefficient of cos D. You have it in this form. AD is 7. You have 7 square plus DC, that is 6. You have 6 square minus AC, which is 5. You have 5 square over 2 times AD times DC. When you simplify, you have this result. After addition and subtraction, you have 60 over 85. When you divide, cos D is equal to 0.7143. To get D, which is equal to angle ADC, you take the inverse of cosine of both sides, and that is 44.4141 degrees. To the nearest degree, you have 44 degrees. Example 62. A segment of a circle is cut off from a rectangular board as shown in the diagram. If the radius of the circle is 1.5 times the length of the chord, calculate correct to 2 decimal places the perimeter of the remaining portion. Take pi equal to 22 over 7. Solution. In order to see the segment properly, let us complete this circle in this form. So AB is a chord. From A to B in this form is an arc. So the area bounded by the chord and an arc is the segment. So this is the segment. PQ is equal to 22 cm and it is equal to S arrow. So if from here to this point is 5 cm, here is 3 cm. When you add, you have 8 cm. If you subtract that 8 cm from 22, this remaining part is 14 cm, which is length of the chord AB. Perimeter of the remaining portion is equal to PQ plus Q arrow plus arrow B plus length of arc AB plus AS plus SP. Length of chord is equal to 14 cm from this explanation. Radius of the circle is equal to 1.5 times length of the chord, which is 14. You have 3/2 times 14 equal to 21 cm. To get the length of arc, the angle subtended is needed, which can be obtained using length of chord formula. This is the angle. Length of chord is equal to 2 times radius times sine theta over 2. The length of chord is 14, equal to 2 times radius 21 times sine theta over 2. You make this term the subject by using 42, the product of 2 and 21, to divide both sides, and you have 0.333 and so on. To get theta over 2, you take the inverse of sine of both sides, and you have 19.469 degrees. To get theta, multiply through by 2 to clear fraction. You have it in this form, and that is 38.938 degrees. We cannot get the length of arc AB in order to get the perimeter. This is length of arc formula. You have the angle over 360 degrees times 2 times pi times radius. When you simplify, you have 14.277 cm. Therefore, the required perimeter is equal to PQ 22 plus Q arrow 12 plus arrow B 3 plus length of arc AB 14.277 plus AS 5 plus SP, that is equal to Q arrow 12. When you add together, you have 68.277, approximately equal to 68.28 centimeters. End of lesson 27. There is every need for you to be saved if you are not, because the Lord Jesus Christ is coming very soon. Some will be taken and some will be left. Live righteously and be prepared. Goodbye.